Let me inform you that today KCS is trending in CoinGecko, and here you can see how do you feel about KCS today. So I will click on happy emoji, and 57.14% people are happy with KCS and 42.86% people are not happy. And I will tell you the news related to the KCS also. First, we'll talk about the current price chart of KCS. See in CoinGecko market cap rank of KCS is 52. Trading volume you can check here. And if I talk about available supply and total supply, available supply is 97 million and total supply is 145.4 million. Talking about all time high, from its all time high it is 68% down, and from its all time low it is 2591% up. Talking about exchange, if you want to buy KCS, here are some platform from where you can buy KCS. You can check all the platform here. Let me suggest you some more platform from CoinGecko, and let me show you some news related to KCS on Twitter. So now I am in the Twitter account of KuCoin. I will click on tweets and replies, and here you can see that Johnny KuCoin has retweeted something. Follow Johnny KuCoin also, as Johnny KuCoin is the CEO of KuCoin. Let me show you this. Here you can see Johnny KuCoin is the CEO of KuCoin. And what is the tweet? Be aware of FUD. Now what is FUD? FUD is fear, uncertainty and doubts. So they are telling that be aware of FUD, not sure who's spreading this fear rumor and what their intention are. But KuCoin does not have any exposure to Luna, 3AC, Babel, etc. They are saying that KuCoin doesn't have any exposure neither to Luna nor to 3AC or not to Babel. No immense suffer from any coin collapse, no plan to halt withdrawal. Everything on KuCoin is operating well. So they are telling that everything on KuCoin is operating well, so you don't need to worry about anything, okay? And they have no plan to halt withdrawal. So they have made it clear, and it has been made clear by Johnny KuCoin, CEO of KuCoin himself. And again they have written some recent fact about KuCoin, and you can make your own judgment. Now what is the recent fact regarding KuCoin, and from this you can think that how KuCoin is safe. We finished $150 million fundraising at $10 billion valuation in May. We are one of the few platforms that are still hiding. We are more active in the bear market, launching new feature like OCO order, fiat pair. So they are also telling that they are one of the few platforms that are still hiding. So you don't need to worry about KuCoin, okay? As it is the people exchange platform. And one more thing, if you want, you can subscribe their YouTube channel also, and their website also, kucoin.com. They have 1.9 million followers. Join my Telegram channel to get a latest update on crypto. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel to watch more video related to KuCoin cryptocurrency. One more thing, if you want to have investment in any crypto, do a proper market research.